Guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we're making this beautiful pasta dish using my tasty spaghetti meat sauce. You can prepare these as an individual serving for date night or an elegant dinner, or serve them as a dinner casserole. In this part, I have my tasty spaghetti meat sauce. You can check out how it's made by watching my venison spaghetti video. The sauce is the same, just replace the meat with your choice. While our meat sauce is simmering, we're going to go ahead and make our pasta shells. Follow the instructions on the back of your package. However, I add an additional 5 minutes to my cooking time. Once tender, rinse in cold water and allow them to cool for 15 minutes. To prepare our dish, we're going to add some butter to the bottom of our casserole dish, as well as our individual serving dish. Start by placing a generous amount of meat sauce in the bottom of your dish, followed by a layer of shredded cheese. Very important, you want to make sure your shells are cool and your meat sauce is warm to prevent from burning yourself. You want to fill your shell with the meat sauce, then place them into your prepared casserole dish. I'm also preparing individual servings tonight. We're going to finish our dish off by adding a few shakes of parsley. We're also going to add mozzarella cheese on top. And since I didn't have any shredded mozzarella, I'm taking a slice of mozzarella cheese and cutting them into fours. And I'm going to add a fourth to each shell. We're going to place these into a 350 degrees oven for about 10 minutes. And once they're done, we're going to pair them with some garlic bread, and it's a win. Listen guys, this is a great twist for meat sauce. Instead of using simple spaghetti noodles, try using these oversized pasta shells to stuff your favorite meat sauce into. Or make my meat sauce. You can find it under the venison spaghetti video. I will link a card at the top here. I like to add a few shakes of Parmesan cheese to my pasta dish. And boy, is it delicious. I certainly hope you have enjoyed the video, and please give this new twist on spaghetti meat sauce a try for your next date night or for your next dinner party. We're just adding a new twist to an old family favorite, spaghetti. As you can see by the looks on my plate, it's a winner. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to hearing from you. So please drop me a comment down below. Let's chat it up. And as always, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.